Let me describe a trap that almost every local business owner falls into, and it feels completely logical while it's draining you. Sales get slow, so what do? You spend more on marketing. More ads, more posts, more promotions, more discounts to pull new people through the door. It feels like the responsible move. Go get more customers. But for most businesses, more marketing isn't the fix. It's pouring more water into a bucket that's leaking from the bottom. Today, I want to show you where the leak actually is, why spending more to hide it is the most expensive mistake in local business, and what the smartest owners fix first. Picture your business as a bucket. Marketing is the water you pour in the top. Every new customer costs you real money to attract, and the number is bigger than most owners admit. Acquiring a brand new customer costs 5 to 7 times more than keeping one you already have. Now here's the problem. If that bucket has holes in the bottom, customers who slip away, leads who never hear back, callers who don't get through, then pouring more expensive water in the top doesn't fill it. It just leaks out faster. You're paying premium prices for new customers to replace the ones quietly draining out a hole you've never patched. And here's the part that should genuinely sting. The most expensive leak isn't even the old customers walking away. It's the new ones you already paid to attract and then dropped at the door. You spend money on an ad. The ad works, someone sees it and calls, and the call rings out, or hits voicemail, or comes in after hours and nobody answers. You didn't just miss a call, you paid in advance to generate that exact lead, and then threw it in the trash at the last inch. That's not a marketing problem. Your marketing did its job. The bucket leaked at the one moment that mattered most. Now flip it around and look at what you're sitting on. Every business has a gold mine it barely touches. The people who already bought from you once. They already know you, already trust you, already found their way to your door. Reaching them again is the cheapest, highest return marketing that exists, and almost nobody does it, because it takes time nobody has to follow up, to remember, to reach back out. So the gold mine sits there while you spend 5 times as much chasing strangers. The water you already caught, you let evaporate, then you go buy more. This is why the owners who actually grow aren't the ones with the biggest ad budgets. They're the ones who plugged the bucket before they poured. Every lead their marketing generates actually gets caught. Every caller reaches someone. Every past customer gets a reason to come back. For years, doing all that consistently meant staff you couldn't spare. Someone answering every call, following up with every lead, reaching back out at every past customer. That's the piece that's changed. An AI front desk like KwickPhone patches the leak automatically. It catches every call your marketing pays for, follows up with the ones who reach out, and helps bring past customers back, none of which you have to remember to do. Let me show you what plugging the bucket looks like. Your ad runs. A new customer calls at a moment you'd normally miss, mid-rush, after close, and instead of hitting voicemail, they're answered and booked on the first ring. The lead you paid for is captured, not spilled, and that quiet stretch on the schedule next week. Past customers get a warm, timely nudge to come back in, so the seats fill from people who already love you. At a fraction of the cost of a new ad, the water goes in and it stays in. So what changes when you patch the leak before you buy more water? Everything about your economics. The same marketing budget suddenly works harder because the leads it generates actually convert instead of leaking away. Your cheapest customers, the ones you already earned, start coming back on their own. and you stop running on a treadmill of buying strangers to replace people you never had to lose. So before you spend one more dollar trying to pour more in the top, go find the holes in the bottom. Ask yourself honestly, of all the customers my marketing brought me this month, how many did I actually catch, and how many just leaked away? That gap is your real growth, and it's already paid for. KwickPhone is free to start and keeps your number. Go to KwickPhone.com and tell me in the comments, what do you think leaks the most in a typical local business? The missed calls, the no follow-up, or the forgotten past customers? I read every one.